Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 12-inch miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Toyaki 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. This miter saw stands out for its extensive feature set, including a dual bevel cutting mechanism and a sliding mechanism, which ensures you can handle larger workpieces with ease. It comes equipped with a 12-inch, 120-tooth blade, a laser guide, and an LED light, making precision cuts easier than ever, even in dimly lit environments. The sliding mechanism is smooth, and the bevel capacity of 0 to 45 degrees on both sides adds versatility for woodworking professionals and hobbyists alike. In terms of design, the Toyaki is robust, yet surprisingly lightweight at just 31 pounds. The aluminum and plastic build feels durable, though not as premium as some of its competitors. While the laser guide and LED light are handy, they can feel a bit gimmicky compared to other premium models. However, its large cutting capacity and user-friendly miter angle adjustments make it a strong contender for those looking for advanced features on a budget. Performance-wise, the 15-amp motor delivers plenty of power, and the 3,800 RPM speed offers smooth, clean cuts. The included fence system provides decent support for crown molding and baseboards. However, the lack of a clear price point and slightly lower build quality compared to competitors keep it from ranking higher on this list. If you're looking for a feature-rich miter saw with excellent cutting capacity, the Toyaki offers great value for mid-level users. Next up, at number 4, we have the Delta 12-inch compound sliding miter saw. This is the premium option on our list, priced at $329, and it delivers exceptional accuracy and performance. It features a 12-inch blade, a sliding mechanism for extended cuts, and miter stops at commonly used angles like 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, and 45 degrees. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals working on crown molding and other precision projects. Additionally, the dual bevel capability allows for seamless bevel cuts on both sides. The build quality of the Delta is impressive, with a solid black and silver design that feels rugged and professional. It weighs 47.8 pounds, making it one of the heavier models on the list, but that weight contributes to its stability during operation. The dust collection system is a bit underwhelming, but the included clamp provides good support for securing materials. The 120-volt, 15-amp motor delivers a steady 4,000 RPM, which is slightly lower than other models, but still sufficient for most cutting tasks. While its price is on the higher side, the Delta justifies it with its precision, versatility, and overall reliability. Its ideal use cases include professional carpentry, cabinetry, and repetitive angle cuts. However, it may not be the best option for casual DIYers due to its premium price tag. If you're looking for a professional-grade miter saw that prioritizes accuracy and durability, the Delta is an excellent investment. Coming in at number 3, we have the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw, single bevel, compound, DWS 715. Priced at $285.78, this saw is a fantastic mid-range option for both professionals and serious DIYers. It features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops, which ensures consistent, repeatable accuracy for your cuts. The tall sliding fence supports materials up to 5.5 inches vertically, making it suitable for crown molding and other detailed projects. With a 15-amp motor spinning the blade at 4,500 RPM, this saw delivers powerful and smooth cutting performance. The design of the DWS 715 reflects DEWALT's reputation for high-quality tools. It weighs 42.8 pounds, which strikes a balance between portability and stability. The machined base fence support adds to its durability, and the overall build feels solid and reliable. The bevel capacity ranges from 0 degrees to 48 degrees to the left and 0 degrees to 3 degrees to the right, which is slightly limited compared to double bevel models. However, for most standard cutting applications, this single bevel design gets the job done efficiently. In terms of value, the DWS 715 offers a great combination of precision, ease of use, and performance. It's ideal for woodworkers, contractors, and home improvement enthusiasts who need a reliable saw for a wide range of projects. The main downside is the lack of dual bevel functionality, which may limit its versatility for more complex cuts. Overall, the DEWALT DWS715 is a well-rounded miter saw that earns its place as a top contender in this category. At number 2, we have the DEWALT Double Bevel Compound Miter Saw, DWS716. This model takes everything great about the DWS715 and elevates it with a double bevel design, allowing the saw to bevel 0 degrees to 48 degrees both left and right. Priced at $299, it's a step up in functionality while remaining reasonably priced for its category. It also features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops and a cam-lock miter handle for quick and accurate adjustments. With a 15-amp motor running at 3,800 RPM, it offers smooth and powerful cuts for a variety of materials. In terms of design, the DWS716 is built to last with a durable and professional-grade finish. At 48.3 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the DWS715, but that added weight contributes to its stability. The tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 6.5 inches nested and base molding up to 6.5 inches vertically, making it highly versatile for intricate trim work. The bevel stops at 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 33.9 degrees, and 45 degrees add convenience for repetitive angle cuts. The DWS 716 is perfect for contractors and advanced DIYers who need the flexibility of a double bevel miter saw. It's particularly well suited for trim carpentry, crown molding, and furniture making. While it is slightly more expensive than the single bevel DWS 715, the added functionality makes it worth the investment for those who need advanced cutting capabilities. One drawback is the lack of a laser guide, which some competitors include at this price point. Nonetheless, the DWS 716's performance and precision make it a top-notch choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw, C10 FCGS. This budget-friendly option, priced at just $119, delivers incredible value for its cost. Despite its lower price, it packs a 15-amp motor that spins at an impressive 5,000 RPM, providing smooth and precise cuts for a variety of woodworking projects. It features a large 10-inch table for better material support and a wide miter angle range of 0 to 52 degrees left and right, offering excellent flexibility for angled cuts. The single bevel adjusts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees to the left, making it suitable for most basic cutting tasks. The design of the Metabo HPT is compact and lightweight, weighing just 24.2 pounds. This makes it extremely portable and easy to store when not in use. The build quality is solid for its price, though it lacks some of the premium materials found in higher-end models. The included 24-tooth blade performs well for basic cuts, but you may want to upgrade to a finer blade for more intricate work. The thumb-actuated positive stops make adjusting miter angles quick and user-friendly. This miter saw is ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and anyone on a tight budget who still wants a reliable tool for their woodworking projects. It's not as feature-rich as the other models on this list, and the 10-inch blade limits its capacity compared to 12-inch options. However, its affordability, portability, and solid performance make it the best value for money option in this category. If you're just starting out or need a secondary saw for lighter tasks, the Metabo HPT is an unbeatable choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.